Hey folks, Eric Merchant with Trophy Properties and Auction. I want to tell you about a great new industrial building that we have coming up for auction here in Montgomery City. This is over 52,000 square feet of space. We've got ceiling height in excess of 20 feet, on about 4 acres. We're right next to the fairgrounds, right in the heart of Montgomery City. It's a great industrial building. If you have a need, if you'd like a private tour, give me a call. I'd love to show it to you. It's 680 South Sturgeon, Montgomery City, Missouri. Check it out on the website, place your bid, and we'll see you on the land.